Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about one and more than one. As you all know, this what is the title, children? One and more than one. This one and more than one, in other words, we can say that it is singular nouns and plural nouns. So what we say, children? One and more than one. We can say singular nouns and plural nouns. See the first one. We already discussed that one and one means it is singular noun. And while more than one means it is plural nouns. So, what do you mean by singular nouns? Okay, we can go through the definition of singular nouns. Singular nouns means it's having only one person, place, animal or thing. Singular nouns means it's having only one person, place, animal or thing. In the same way, while plural means more than one person, place, animal or thing. Plural means more than one person, place, animal or thing. So, how we can easily get the singular nouns to plurals? First, we can go through the first rule by adding s to the singular nouns. So, by adding s to the singular nouns means the root word is singular, that having only one. That may be place, may be animal, it may be a thing. So what we have to add, children? For getting the singular nouns into plural, we have to add s to the root word. Okay, so we can go through some examples. Here we have, what is the first word, children, here? C-A-R, that is car. So how can we make into plural? By adding s. So the spelling becomes C-A-R-S. Cars. Car, it is singular. For making it is more than one, that is plural, we have to add s here. Okay. So we got the plural here. Car, cars. Second one, desk. So what we have to add? Yes, by adding s to the singular noun. Here it is a desk is the singular noun. So we have to add an s at the end. Desk. So we got the plural here. Third one, it is boat. Boat also we have to do the same way. For getting the plural, we have to add s here. So we got boats. Next is candle. Candle, what is the spelling? C-A-N-D-L-E. So what we have to add? Yes, by adding s to the singular noun. Here also we have to add an s. So we got the answer here. Candles. Okay. Next is having pen. For getting the plural of pen, we have to add s. So pens. What about pencil? Yes. Pencils. Okay. Next, book. For making plural, we have to add s. So we got books. Last one, it is day. So making into plural, we have to add s. So we got days. So once again, we can go through this. Car, cars, desk, desk, boat, boats, candle, candles, pen, pens, pencil, pencils, book, books, day, days. So this is the first rule by adding s to the singular nouns. Next is by adding es to the singular nouns ending in o, s, sh, X and CH. So, second rule is by adding. How we can get the plurals. Okay. Second one is by adding es to the singular nouns. We already studied the first rule. What was the first rule, children? Yes, by adding s to the singular noun. This one is by adding es to the singular nouns which ends in O, S, SH, X and CH. So, all the singular nouns ending these things we have to add what? This es. For getting the plural, we have to add es. So, we can go through the examples. First one, it is bus. Bus ends in S. The ending letter is N. The ending letter is S. So, what we have to add, children? For getting the plural, we have to add es. So, the plural becomes like this. Bus, buses. Next one, bench. Bench is also ends in CH sound. Bench is ends in CH. So, benches. The plural becomes benches. So, we have to add es also here. In the same way, fox. So, what we have to add? Yes, es, foxes. We got foxes here. Next is glass. Double S. Glass also, what we have to add? Yes, we have to add es. Next is brush. So, what is the plural, children? Brushes. At the end, we have to add a es. Mango. What about mango? If there is only one mango, that is singular. It's more than one. So, we can say that it is mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. So, once again, we can go through the examples. Bus, buses, bench, benches, fox, foxes, glass, glasses, brush, brushes, and mango, mangoes. So, these are the two rules that is very important to study for you. So, rest of the things we can do in our next class. Okay. Thank you, children.